YouTube, what is going on? Welcome back to the channel. Shelby Mo here with another video. Today we're here at my guy A1 Mufflers, James's shop here in Warren, Michigan, Centerline, Michigan. Hit him up if you ever need any exhaust work done. This is his number, his shop location, the name of his shop. Pull on up. You need anything done to your Scat, Hellcat, you name it, hit him up. Get in contact with James, he'll take care of you. But today we are getting the Letha Performance X Pipe installed. We're gonna get that taken care of today. I'm gonna show you guys the whole installation, everything, and we're gonna do a before and after of the sound, so you guys can get an idea on how the Shelby GT500 sounds with stock exhaust versus X Pipe. But we will be doing also headers here soon. I have the headers. It just takes time to get them installed. So since the X Pipe isn't really something that takes forever, we're gonna get that firstly knocked out, and so we can get sound clips of the X Pipe so you guys can hear how it sounds without the headers. All right, y'all, we're about to get started. Before sound clip right here. That's the before. Here we go. Time to get the goodies out of the box. All right, guys, check this out. We got the X Pipe from Letha Performance right there, and then we have the oil catch kit from J&L. Shout out to Cal Performance, and shout out to Letha Performance, my guys Jared and Dustin for hooking me up, as always, from Letha Performance. Man, it's always good to have connections. But we're gonna go ahead, get the car up in the air. We're gonna get the cut off the factory X Pipe, and we're gonna put on the Letha Performance X Pipe and see how it sounds. All right, y'all, check it out. We got the car in the air. Let's take a look real quick on the undercarriage to show you guys what we're doing exactly. So this right here is the factory resonator right here. So we're gonna be taking this out and we're gonna replace it with the Letha Performance X Pipe. So she's gonna sound even crazier. And down the line, here are the catalytic converters. These will also be possibly, quote unquote, coming off. Shout out to Cook's headers. Stay tuned for that. That's gonna come down. But right now we're doing the X Pipe, so we're gonna get this baby knocked out, all right? Stay tuned. All right, y'all, that is the factory X Pipe right there with the muffler. We're getting the Letha Pipe. It's the Letha Pipe, we're about to get that on. Stay tuned. All right, guys, X Pipe is officially on. Let's hear how it sounds. Crap, that is a difference for sure versus stock. Oh my god, you guys hear it? Holy crap. Here, hang on, let's give you guys some revs.